Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see about the most important unit on applications of matrices and determinants. Volume number 1, chapter number 1, applications of matrices and determinants. In this chapter today discuss about important topic matrix inversions method. Conditions for matrix inversions method. AX is equal to B, X is equal to A inverse of B, where A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by modulus A. This is a condition for matrix inversions method. Important 5 mark question. Question number 5, exercise 1.3. A prices of 3 commodities A, B, C are rupees X, Y, Z per unit. A person P purchases 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. A person Q purchases 2 units of C and sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. A person R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 3 units of B and 1 unit of C. In the process, P, Q and R earn rupees 15,000, rupees 1,000 and rupees 4,000. Find the prices per unit of A, B and C. Solution of this question. First, formed the equation. First equation, a P purchase 4 units of B. Purchase 4 units of B means minus 4 into Y. Okay. A, X, B, Y and then C, Z. Purchase 4 units of B. Purchase means minus negative 4 minus 4 into Y and sells 2 units of A. Okay. Plus 2 into X. Next and 5 units of C. 5 units of C plus 5 into Y equal to a process P, Q and R earn rupees 15,000. Okay. This term is P is 15,000. 15,000. Okay. This is the first equation. Second equation, a person Q purchase 2 units of C. Purchase means negative. 2 units minus 2 into C is that. Okay. And sells 3 units of A. 3 into X. Next, 1 unit of B. 1 into Y. Plus 1 into Y equal to Q. Q total value rupees 1,000. 1,000. This equation is 2. Next one, a person R purchase 1 unit of A. Okay, purchase 1 unit minus 1 into X. Next and sells 3 units of B. 3 into Y. 3 into Y plus 1 unit of C. 1 into Z equal to R. R total value rupees 4,000. Okay. Rearrange the first equation. 2x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 15,000. Equation number 1. Second equation, 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 1,000. Equation number 2. Third equation, minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 4,000. Equation number 3. Okay. This question using matrix multiplication method. Okay. Matrix multiplication method. First, matrix form. To find a matrix form, A equal to matrix of A equal to cofactors of X, cofactors of Y and then cofactors of Z. Cofactors of X 2, 3, minus 1. Cofactors of Y minus 4, 1, 3. Cofactors of Z 5, minus 2, 1. X equal to X term, Y term, Z term. B equal to 15,000, 1,000, 4,000. This is a matrix form. Okay. Matrix multiplication method. Matrix inversion method. AX is equal to B. X equal to A inverse of B. Where A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by modulus A. First, to find A inverse equal to adjoint of A divided by modulus A. Modulus A means plus minus plus 2. Delete the column and then delete the row. Remaining term 1, minus 2, 3, 1. This one is formula minus. This one is sum minus, minus 4. Delete the row and then delete the column. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 into delete the column and then delete the row. 3, 1 minus 1, 3. 3, 1 minus 1, 3. 2 into 1 into 1, 1. Formula minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus into minus plus 1 into 3, 3. This one is formula minus. Minus into minus plus 1 into 2, 2. Plus 5. 3 into 3, 9. This one is formula minus. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2, 1 minus into minus plus 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus into minus plus. Okay. 2 into 6 plus 1, 7. 4 into 1, 4. 5 into 9 plus 1, 10. 4 into 2, 14 plus 4 plus 5 into 10, 50. 50 plus 14, 64. 64 plus 4, 68. Therefore, modulus of A equal to 68. Not equal to 0. Next one, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means first to find cofactors. Cofactors of 3 cross 3. 3 rows and then 3 columns. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. First plus, minus plus, minus plus, minus, plus minus, plus. Okay. Substitute the cofactors of A11. Next A12, 13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. First matrix 2 minus 4, 5, 3, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 3, 1. Okay. First A11. A11 plus term. Delete the row and then delete the column. 1 minus 2, 3, 1. 1 minus 2, 3, 1. Plus into 1 into 1, 1. Formula minus 3 into minus 2, minus 8. Minus into minus plus 6 plus 1, 7. A12 minus, this one is A12. Delete the row and then delete the column. 3 minus 2, minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, minus 1, 1. Minus of 1 into 3, 3. Minus, minus into minus, plus 1 into 2, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 into minus, minus 1. A13 plus. This one is plus. Delete the row and then delete the column. 3, 1, minus 1, 3. 3, 1, minus 1, 3. Plus into 3 into 3, 9. This one is formula minus. Minus into 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 9 plus 1, 10. Next one, cofactors of A21. A21 value is negative this one, delete the row and then delete the column, remaining term minus 4 5 minus 4 5 3 1 3 1, negative of minus 4 into 1 minus 4, this one is formula minus 3 into 5 15 minus minus 15 minus 4 minus 19 minus into minus plus 19, a22 plus this term a22, delete the row and then delete the column, 2 5 minus 1 1 2 5 minus 1 1 plus into 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into minus 5 minus into minus plus 5, therefore plus 7, a23 minus of a23 minus this term, delete the row and delete the column, 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 minus of 2 into 3 6 minus minus into minus plus 1 into 4 4 6 minus 4 2 minus 2, next 3 1, cofactors of 3 1 plus delete the row and then delete the column, minus 4 5 1 minus 2 minus 4 5 1 minus 2 plus into minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8 1 into 5 5 equal to 3, a 3 2, negative of this term, delete the row and then delete the column, 2 5 3 2 minus 2 2 5 3 minus 2 minus of minus 4 minus 15 minus of minus 19 plus 19, a33 plus last one 2 minus 4 3 1 2 minus 4 3 1 plus 2 into 1 2, this one is formula minus 3 into minus 4 minus 12 minus into minus plus 12 equal to 12 plus 2 14. Next cofactors of a11 12 13, value 7 minus 1 10 7 minus 1 10. Next cofactors of 21 22 23, 19 7 minus 2 19 7 minus 2. Next cofactors of 31 32 33, 3 19 14. Okay. Next adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means cofactors, whole cofactors is equal to transpose. T means transposer. Column interchange to row or row interchange to column. 7 minus 1 10 interchange to 7 minus 1 10. Row interchange to column. Row 2 interchange to column 2. 19 7 minus 2. Next 3 19 14. This is the adjoint of A. Next one, A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by modulus A. Adjoint of A 7 19 3 minus 1 7 19 10 minus 2 14 divided by modulus A. Modulus A means 68. Next, matrix inversions method. S equal to A inverse of B. S means S, Y, Z. A inverse 1 divided by 68, 7, 19, 3, minus 1, 7, 19, 10 minus 2, 14 into B. B value is 15,000, 1,000, 4,000. Okay. This two is matrix multiplications. 1 divided by 68 into 7 into 15. 15 into 7, 35, balance 3, 0, 105, 000. Okay. Next 19 into 1 plus 19 000 plus 3 into 4, 12 000. Row 1 into column 1. Next row 2 into column 1. Minus 1 into 15 minus 15 000 plus 7 into 1 7000 plus 19 into 4, 19 into 4, 36, balance 3, 7, 76 000. Next one, 10 into 15, 15 0 000 minus 2000, 4 into 4, 16, balance 1, 4, 5, plus 5, 6 000. Okay. Next 1 divided by 68 into 105 000, 19 000, 12 000, 000, 5 plus 2 11, 11 plus 5 16, balance 1, 3, 1, 1 3 6 0 0 0. Next one, minus 15 plus 7 plus 76 00 plus 7000 000 13, balance 1, 8, minus 15,000 000 7 1, 13 minus 5, 8, 7 minus 1, 6, 68 000. Okay. Next one, 15,000 minus 56,000 0006012 minus 2,000 000 402 20400. Okay. 10 into 15 150 000. Clear. Next one, 13000 divided by 68, 68000 divided by 68. Next 20400 divided by 68. Yes, Y is that. Cancel for 13000 divided by 68. Next one 6800 divided by 68. Next one 2040 00 divided by 68. Okay. Next S Y Z divisions for 1300 68 1200 6800 divided by 68 1000 20 40 00 divided by 68 3000. The solution S is equal to 1200, Y equal to 1000, Z equal to 3000. This is the answer for this question. Thank you. Thank you so much.